You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to another episode. This week, we've been talking about the U.S. Virgin Islands, and today we're diving into the nuts and bolts of the moving process as you prepare to relocate from Los Angeles to the serene shores of the U.S. Virgin Islands. Don't forget that your partner, SDC International Shipping, will guide you and ensure a smooth and stress-free relocation. So prepare to take notes as we explore everything you need to know about making this exciting move. Let's look at the steps of the moving process. 1. You have an initial consultation with SDC International Shipping. Once you've decided to move to the U.S. Virgin Islands, the first step in the moving process is to schedule an initial consultation with SDC International Shipping. During this consultation, a dedicated relocation specialist will work with you to assess your unique needs, preferences, and timeline for your move. They will provide valuable guidance on the various services, including packing, shipping, and custom clearance, and help you create a customized moving plan tailored for your requirements. Second, you will pack and label belongings. With your moving plan in place, the next step is to prepare your belongings for shipment to the U.S. Virgin Islands. SDC International Shipping offers professional packing services to ensure your items are packed and secured for transit. Their team of experienced packers will use high-quality packing materials and techniques to safeguard your belongings against damage during transportation. Each item will be meticulously labeled and inventoried to facilitate tracking and organization throughout the moving process. Third, transportation options. While transporting your belongings to the U.S. Virgin Islands, SDC International Shipping offers flexible transportation options to suit your needs and budget. Depending on the size and volume of your shipment, you may choose between air freight and sea freight services. Air freight offers quick delivery for smaller shipments, while sea freight is cost-effective for larger items and household goods. Your relocation specialist will help you select the most suitable transportation method based on your requirements and preferences. 4. Custom clearance procedures. Navigating custom clearance procedures is essential to the moving process while relocating to the U.S. Virgin Islands. And fortunately, SDC International Shipping has extensive experience handling international shipping and will easily guide you through the custom clearance process. Their team will prepare all necessary documentation, including custom forms and declarations, and will work with local authorities to ensure smooth clearance of your goods upon arrival in the U.S. Virgin Islands. And finally, delivery and unpacking at the destination. Upon arrival in the U.S. Virgin Islands, SDC International Shipping will coordinate the delivery of your belongings to your new home. Their professional movers will carefully unload and unpack your items, placing them in designated areas according to your instructions. With their assistance, you can quickly settle into your new surroundings and begin the next chapter of your life in the U.S. Virgin Islands with ease and peace of mind. Remember, relocating to a new destination is a journey filled with opportunities and new beginnings. With the right preparation and support from professionals like SDC International Shipping, you'll soon be enjoying the beautiful and vibrant culture of the U.S. Virgin Islands. So, if you have any questions or you need further assistance, feel free to contact us, give us a call, or check out our website. Until next time, happy moving and enjoy your new adventure in paradise.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.